A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 6th chapter of social science, that is our dresses. From the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, very first you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. So, let's discuss it. You will learn in this chapter, you will learn about dresses of women and you will learn about dresses of men, and you will also learn about seasonal clothes. So, dear student, let's begin with the 6th chapter. Dear student, very first you should know why we need clothes. Why we wear clothes? So, dear student, the answer is it is necessary to wear clothes. The early men did not wear clothes. He had to suffer in extreme heat and cold. Gradually, he began to cover his body with leaves and barks of the tree. But today, men wear clothes. He does not only wear them to protect his body, but also to decorate it with fashionable dresses. क्यों होती है बच्चों हमें कपड़ों की जरूरत? ताकि हम अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके फ्रॉम द एक्सट्रीम हीट एंड एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. We all need clothes because they protect us from sun, cold, rain, dust, and insects bites. We wear clothes according to season. When we wear clothes, we wear clothes according to season, job, occasion. We look smart and civilized in clothes. So, dear student, this is the pictorial part of some clothes. The first one is protective cloths, the second one is uniform cloths, and the third one is decorative cloths. These are the protective cloths which we used according to season. This is the uniform cloths which we use as per their profession. Like आर्मी ऑफिसर्स होते हैं वो अपने प्रोफेशन की ड्रेस पहनते हैं, नर्सेज होती हैं वो अपने प्रोफेशन की ड्रेसेस पहनती हैं, एंड गार्ड जो होते हैं वो अपने प्रोफेशन की ड्रेस पहनते हैं. द थर्ड वन इज डेकोरेटिव क्लॉथ्स, जिसे हम क्या करते हैं ओकेजन्स में पहनते हैं, लाइक बर्थडे पार्टी, वेडिंग्स, दिवाली. तो ऐसे क्लॉथ्स को क्या बोलते हैं? डेकोरेटिव क्लॉथ्स बोलते हैं, जो आपको मेरी स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हैं, जो मैंने हाईलाइट किए हुए हैं, जिस पिक्चर को मैंने हाईलाइट किया हुआ है. ठीक है? सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द फर्स्ट लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. दिस इज सीजनल क्लॉथ्स. सो the climate in different parts of India is different. इंडिया के different parts में अलग अलग जगह पे क्या है, अलग अलग क्लाइमेट है. So people living in different parts wear different types of dresses depending on climate or season. वहाँ के क्लाइमेट के अकॉर्डिंग, वहाँ की चीजों के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करते हैं, कपड़े पहनते हैं. In hilly cold area, people breed sheep. They shear their hair, spin it and knit to make cloths. क्या करते हैं बच्चों, जो ठंडे इलाके होते हैं, जो हिली एरिया होते हैं, वहां पर जो शीप होती है, भेड़ होती है, उसके बालों को छीलते हैं, उससे कट करते हैं और उसको काट के और बुन के क्या बनाते हैं, कपड़ा बनाते हैं. People in plains grow cotton, spin it after ginning and weave to make cloths. क्या करते हैं, प्लेन में कपास को उगाते हैं, उसको काटते हैं, बुनते हैं और उसका कपड़ा बनाते हैं. Cotton cloths are more comfortable in summer and hot place. So dear student, I am marking it. When we use cotton cloth. So the answer is we use cotton cloths in summer and hot places. Where we use cotton cloths? We use cotton cloths in summer and hot places. Again, this is very important question. When we use cotton cloths? So the answer is we use cotton cloths in summer because cotton cloths absorb sweat. क्या करते हैं cotton cloths? पसीने को absorb कर लेते हैं, सुखा लेते हैं. Some air can enter through them to make body cool. क्या करते हैं वो? हवा को अंदर घुसने देते हैं और बॉडी को कूल बनाते हैं. Why we use cotton cloths? To keep our body cool. Why we use cotton cloths? To keep our body cool. Woolen cloths are carried to planes also for use in winter. Woolen cloth का हम यूज करते हैं. Woolen cloths को हम winters में यूज करते हैं. When we use woolen cloths, again this is very important question and I am marking it. When we use woolen cloths, we use woolen cloths in winter. When we use woolen cloths in winter. In the same way, cotton cloths are carried to hills for use in summer. So, this is the pictorial part of seasonal cloths. Now, let's discuss the second learning objective, that is clothes of women. Dear student, in our country, the common dresses of women are sari blouse, salwar kurta, short skirt and a cloth piece to cover head. This is the cloth piece to cover head, which is called dupatta. So this is the pictorial part of which you can see in my screen. This is the pictorial part of dresses. This is Ghagra Kachli in Rajasthan. This is Salwar Kurta in Punjab. This is Ghagra Kurta in Haryana. This is Lehenga Choli in Gujarat. Mundu blouse in Kerala and Salwar Firan in Kashmir. So, sari has become popular all over the country. तो सारी ब्लाउज क्या है? मोस्टली बच्चों सारी पूरी देश में पहना जाता है. सारी आर worn in different style, different तरीके से different जगह पहनी जाती है. We can easily find the name of the state to which a woman belongs from the way she wear her साड़ी. तो जिस तरीके से साड़ी पहनी जाती है उससे पता चलता है कि वो किस स्टेट को बिलोंग करती है. ये स्टूडेंट, मैंने जो हाईलाइट पिक्चर आपको दिखाई है स्क्रीन पे उसके अकॉर्डिंग देखिए साउथ इंडिया में किस तरीके की साड़ी पहनी जाती है, वेस्ट बंगाल में किस तरीके की साड़ी पहनी जाती है, महाराष्ट्र में कैसे पहनी जाती है एंड उत्तर प्रदेश में कैसे साड़ी को पहना जाता है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट cloths of women. So let's discuss the last learning objective, that is clothes of men. Dear student, the dresses of men also differ from one part of the country to other. The most common dresses of men are pant shirt, kurta pajama, dhoti kurta and kurta lungi, as you can see in my screen. This is dhoti kurta, this is kurta pajama, this is churidar pajama with jacket, this is churidar pajama with achkan and this is shirt with lungi. Dear student, in olden days, dhoti kurta used to be the dress of men worn all over the country. पुराने टाइम में mostly लोग धोती कुर्ता ही पहनते थे. But now most of the men in our cities, rich or poor, educated or non-educated, wear pant and shirt. क्या पहना जाता है? हाँ, पैंट और शर्ट मोस्टली लोग पहनते हैं. Some men also cover their head either with turban or with cap. तो क्या होता है? मोस्टली जगह पे आदमी या तो टर्बन या फिर कैप से अपने सर को ढकते हैं. Oh, I'm so sorry, that was not last one. The next one is uniform. So, dear student, as I have already explained you uniforms. So, people who do special job wear uniform, like soldiers wear tough cloths, policemen wear khaki uniforms, doctor and nurse wear white uniforms, and school children also wear uniform at school. तो बच्चों, सबकी अपनी अपनी स्कूल, सबकी अपनी अपनी ड्रेसेस होती हैं जो उनके प्रोफेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करती है. उनकी ड्रेसेस से आप ये आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हैं कि वो क्या करते हैं. सो this is all about uniform cloths. The next one is decorative cloths. What are decorative cloths? As I have already told you, on special occasion like wedding, birthday parties, Diwali, people wear decorative cloths. So this is all about the chapter. Dear student, let's have a quick revision of this chapter. Our dresses. So, in the beginning of chapter, we have learned about what is cloth. As I am again highlighting it, the early man did not wear clothes, but he wore he covered his body with leaves and barks of the tree. किससे वो अपनी बॉडी को कवर करते थे? झाड़ियों और पत्तियों से वो अपनी बॉडी को कवर करते थे. But today men wear clothes. He does not only wear them to protect his body, but also to decorate it with fashionable dresses. Why we use clothes? We use clothes to protect us extreme weather. We all need clothes because they protect us from sun, cold, rain, dust and insect bites. क्यों हम यूज करते हैं? जिससे वो हमें धूप से, ठंडे से, बारिश से, धूल से और इंसेक्ट्स बाइट से हमें कपड़े क्या होते हैं? बचाते हैं और जिसमें हम क्या लगते हैं? और सुंदर, स्मार्ट और सिविलाइज लगते हैं. इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं? क्लॉथ्स का यूज करते हैं. सो this is the pictorial part of type of cloths. These are protective cloths, these are uniform cloths, and these are decorative cloths. Protective cloths which we used in seasons as a seasonal condition. Second one is uniform, which the person represent their job, in which the person represent their jobs. Decorative cloths which we wear in the occasion. The first one is seasonal clothes. What is seasonal clothes? Dear student, in hilly and cold area, people breed sheep. They shear their hair, spin it and knit to make cloths. क्या होता है? ठंड जो हिली एरियाज होते हैं उसमें बच्चे क्या करते हैं? उसमें भेड़ की स्किन को, उसके बालों को छील के, काट के, उसको काट के बुन के कपड़े बनाते हैं. और प्लेन एरिया में क्या करते हैं? प्लेन एरिया में मोस्टली कॉटन को उगा के उसे काटते हैं, बुनते हैं और उसका कपड़ा बनाते हैं. कॉटन क्लॉथ्स are more comfortable in summer and hot places. कब हम cotton cloths का use करते हैं? हम cotton cloths का use summer में करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? To keep us cool. As I am again highlighting it, why we use cotton cloths? To make the body cool. Why we use cotton cloths? To make the body cool. And where we use cotton cloths? We use cotton cloths in summer and hot places. Okay? So this is all about seasonal cloths. The next one is clothes of women. So in the country, the common dresses of women are sari blouse, salwar kurta, short skirt, and a cloth piece to cover head, which is called odhni. Sari has become popular all over the country. तो बच्चों जिस स्टाइल से महिलाएं साड़ी पहनती हैं उससे देखा जाता है कि वो किस स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हैं. The next one is cloth of men. So the dresses of men also differ one part of the country to other. Most common dresses of men are pant shirt, kurta pajama, dhoti kurta, and kurta lungi. In olden days, dhoti kurta used to be the dress of men worn all over the country. But now most of the men in our cities wear pant and shirt. So some men also cover their head either with turban or a cap. Some men also cover their head either with a turban or with a cap. So this is again very important question. The next one is uniform. As I have already told you, people who do special jobs wear uniforms, like soldiers wear tough cloths, policemen wear khaki uniforms, doctors and nurses wear white uniforms, and school children also wear uniform at their school. So basically their dresses represent their profession. The last one is decorative clothes. Dear student, what is decorative clothes? On special occasion like wedding, parties, people wear decorative clothes. So this is all about the 6th chapter. Dear student, we will study our next lecture in our next class. So this is all about our dresses. Thank you.